In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the best smoked wahoo, or as in Hawaii, they call it ono. And we're going to do it in 4 easy steps. Hi y'all, Don here with Southern Backyard Cooking. This video is going to be showcasing how to make a great tasting smoked wahoo. We're going to do it with a Southern flair. We're going to do it in 4 easy steps. If you like my video, please make sure you subscribe and ring the bell. This will allow you to follow my site and get notifications on all new posts, and all for free. Alright y'all, step 1, marinate the fish. I've already done it. I did it and let it sit overnight. I used this Lowry's herb and garlic. It's really good. So I let it sit overnight. Basically what I want to do now is take it out, and I'm going to put my glove on so I don't get this stuff everywhere. I'm going to put it on my plate here because I want to put a little bit of seasoning on it in addition to the marinade. And I want to cut it in half. So I'm going to, right there, just cut it in half. Alright. And I'm going to use Tony Chachere's. Just going to sprinkle a little bit on it, and then it's going to go out on the smoker. Now I'm going to smoke this 180 degrees for about an hour, hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, but I want the internal temperature to get 145 degrees. Alright y'all, I'm out here at the smoker, got my fish already cut in 2, seasoned, marinated, all ready to go on the smoker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to probe it so I can keep telling what my internal temperature is. And then I'm putting it right in the center. I'm trying to go right in the center of the meat. And I'm going to scoop it up with my spatula. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it right in the center. And the nice thing about this is a wireless thermometer, so I can take this inside with me. I've got it set to where it'll go off. There'll be an alarm when it hits 145 degrees. That'll be my time to pull it off and get ready to eat. Right now, and of course they just come out of the refrigerator, they're at 40 degrees. So we got an hour, hour and a half to do. Alright guys, back out at the smoker. The internal temperature of the fish is right at 145 degrees now. Turn it off, and I'm going to pull them out. So now we have our fish. We're going to take them inside and get ready to eat some. Alright guys, got the fish in. I'm going to take and cut one of these sections in half just to show you how it is. Smells good. Looks great. Let's see here. Some of this fish parts right here. Nice and flaky. Boy. That's really good. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please be sure to give me thumbs up and subscribe.